Hello and welcome back everybody to another video from Sunita Productions. In this video we're unboxing the iPhone XS. This is the costliest unboxing that our channel has ever made, so watch it till the end. As soon as you open the box, you see a instruction manual and the iPhone XS. This is a super light smartphone and you don't even feel the phone in your hand. You have a pair of earphones. This is a decent Apple package with a 5-watt charger. The charger is so small, and if you zoom in, you can see a 5-volt 1 ampere power output. And the cable is a lightning cable. I hope they switch to Type-C as soon as possible. So now let me turn this phone on and complete the setup, and till I complete the setup you can take a look at the specifications displayed on the screen. So that's it guys. If you like the video, please like, share, and a subscription would be appreciated. Thank you.